Curious to see who is sending you message requests on your Facebook Messenger app? The method to see message requests on the Messenger app is easy and simple. Let's learn how to do it step by step. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the three-line icon. Now click on Message Requests. Here, you will see two panels. One saying People You May Know, and the other one is marked as Spam. People you may know usually are the safe message requests. If the messenger thinks of a chat as risky to your safety, it drops them to the spam panel. But sometimes, even safe messages can get sent to spam. So, it's suggested that you check the spam menu from time to time. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can see your Facebook message requests on the Facebook Messenger app on Android. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more messenger tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel because you'll be getting a lot more of this. See you next time.